Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you that how we can write a Python program to find the number of unique items in the given list. Okay, so suppose we are given a list L and it has certain elements. Some of the elements are repeated. Okay, and we need to write a program where we find the number of unique elements or unique items in the list. So for this, we will take a empty list and let us take a counter. This problem can be solved in many ways. I'm going to discuss only one way. Okay, so we will run an iterator on the given list. So for item in the list L, if item not in L1. So we are traversing over the given list and appending that list, appending elements of that list in the empty list only once. Okay, so we are not going to repeat any element. So if item not in L1, then L1 dot append item. Okay, so now we have to increase the counter by 1. Alternatively, we can find the length of list L1 at the end. That can also be done. That is another method. Okay, so now we have a list L1 that is made of list L, and L1 contains only unique elements of list L. Okay, now print number of unique items in the list is equal to count. Okay, so now let us run this code. Okay, so for item, oh sorry, there will be no the for item in L. So number of unique element in the list is 6. You can verify it that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 unique element. So this is one way uh, by which you can find the number of unique element in a list. Okay, we could have done it without using counter. Means I could have just written here instead of count length len L1, so that would have also given the number of unique element. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.